Hello everyone, welcome to Bubbles Are For Everyone. Today I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the website and our organization. So first, to start things off here, I'll just scroll through this sections. This top section is just the name of the organization and kind of the greeting. We've got the home button with the logo. Next you can scroll down to the organization, like our main, who we are, what we do, and what our mission is. Scroll down to Bubble Events. Our charity hosts Bubble Events, helping people connect with each other in the community and within our organization. And we've got a cute little collage of families, and then a little section on the precautions we take to make sure that families feel welcome and safe, as well as helping people understand that counseling is a great option, but not every counseling center works for every family. Then we have another section on our team, the counselors that we have, a little information on them, their names and their availabilities and office numbers. And then we have our call to action down here. Okay, so the main purpose of this website is just to allow people or give people a place to go to find information on our organization. And our organization, Bubbles Are For Everyone, is a family counseling organization. Our main goal is to help families recover or heal or begin the process of healing when they've gone through any form of family trauma, mainly separation and divorce, because divorce and separation percentages and numbers may be down in the United States, but they're still very traumatic and very devastating situations that we know have lasting effects, and we want to do all that we can to help families in that situation. That's another reason why I chose this kind of design layout. I wanted everything to be right up in front, crystal clear, nothing too complex or complicated for navigation, and I wanted all the information to just be easily accessible, and I didn't want the layout or the color scheme to be overwhelming. I chose colors like yellow, red, and orange because they're more inviting and happy kind of colors. They kind of give you more like a positive feeling. They're not crazy overwhelming or too bright and overpowering. And then green and blue are also very kind of calm and welcoming colors that aren't exactly overwhelming, but still are very inviting and kind of going along with this whole bubbly theme that our organization has. So creating the website was actually a lot of fun. The main thing that I learned was, this is going to be really basic, but I have never done any form of computer coding ever. This is the first time I've actually been able to get involved and learn a little bit about that, and so putting in the basic elements like the text and the pictures through Divi was fun, but actually going in and being able to manipulate all the little details like the alignment or the font size or photo alignment. These photos in particular were actually very hard to align, but finally when I got them aligned using the code, it was so fulfilling and so satisfying. Well, yep, that's my website. Thank you for tuning in.